If you enjoy space and crazy facts like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Everything you know, everything you see, all began in a single violent instant. That was Big Bang. But today, we're diving into something even stranger. A cosmic mystery so powerful, it warps time, space, and even reality itself. This is the black hole. It's a region in the universe where gravity is so strong, nothing, not even light, can escape. Not even time survives here. Black holes form when massive stars reach the end of their lives. They explode in a brilliant supernova, and what's left behind collapses under its own gravity, shrinking into an unimaginably dense point called a singularity. It's like compressing all the mass of our sun into a space no bigger than a city. At that point, the laws of physics begin to break down, and beyond a certain invisible boundary, the event horizon, there's no turning back. But here's where it gets truly mind-bending. Inside a black hole, time might not move forward at all. As you approach the center, gravity becomes so extreme it stretches space and bends time. To an outside observer, anything falling in would appear frozen at the edge. But from the inside, time, as we know it, might not even exist. Inside a black hole, space and time stop playing by the rules. It's not just the end of light. It could be the end of time itself. Einstein's prediction. Albert Einstein predicted the existence of black holes back in 1915 with his theory of general relativity. But even he didn't believe they were real.
Furthermore, the equation E is equal mc squared, in which energy is thought equal to mass multiplied with the square of the velocity of light, showed that very small amount of mass may be converted into a very large amount of energy, and vice versa. The mass and energy were in fact equivalent, according to the formula mentioned above. This was demonstrated by Kokra and Walton in 1932 experimentally.
He thought they were just strange solutions to complex equations, not actual objects in the universe. It took decades of scientific breakthroughs, radio telescopes, and X-ray observatories to prove black holes aren't just possible. They're everywhere. Then came Stephen Hawking. In 1974, he changed everything. He theorized that black holes aren't entirely black. Instead, they slowly emit particles and radiation, a faint glow now known as Hawking radiation. This meant that black holes could lose mass and eventually disappear. It was the first time anyone connected quantum mechanics with gravity, a clash of two of science's most powerful forces, a riddle we still haven't fully solved. TON 618, the monster in the darkness. Now let's talk about one of the biggest black holes ever discovered, TON 618. What you're seeing now is the scale of our solar system. The farthest planet you can spot here is Neptune. Neptune orbits our Sun from a distance of about 4.5 billion kilometers, or 2.8 billion miles. Now, imagine a black hole so massive, so absurdly gigantic, that its sheer size could stretch across that entire orbit, and far beyond. That is TON 618, a supermassive black hole located more than 10 billion light-years away. Its mass? An estimated 66 billion times the mass of our Sun. Not just big, terrifyingly big. TON 618 is so huge that it defies our understanding of how black holes grow. How could something this massive even exist? It's a puzzle scientists are still trying to solve. A cosmic heavyweight that challenges the very models of astrophysics. Phoenix, a star, the silent giant. But the story doesn't end there. Next up, a black hole so powerful, so silent, and so massive. It's been nicknamed the silent giant. This is Phoenix, a star. Hidden deep within a distant galaxy cluster known as the Phoenix Cluster lies one of the most mysterious black holes ever found. Some estimates suggest it could weigh in at 100 billion times the mass of our Sun. And here's what's even more staggering. Phoenix, a star, is not just sitting there. It's active. It's unleashing more energy than thousands of galaxies combined. The heat, the radiation, the scale. Unlike other black holes that erupt with chaos and light, Phoenix, a star, is calm, controlled, deadly. It doesn't explode. It doesn't scream. It simply pulls, silencing entire galaxies under its grip. So, what exactly is Phoenix, a star? A record breaker? A galactic destroyer? Or a silent warning from the deep? A cosmic reminder that the universe still holds monsters we haven't truly seen? Thanks for watching. If you liked it, drop a like and subscribe for more.